Okay, so capital letters, right? We did them before. I just want to remind you what they are. You use a capital letter when you put names in a sentence. Okay, so names of people, which is like I put your teacher Bianca, or it can be names of like things that you buy, or so I put here Prit, you know, your glue. If you look on your glue, you will see that it says Prit. That is the name of the glue, okay, and that name is Prit. So can you see there? I put it in a capital letter. So when I write it in a sentence and I say I went to buy Prit, I won't use a small letter, I'll use a capital letter because it's the name of something, okay? You can also names are also names of countries, names of places, okay, and which is what we're gonna do here now. So here's places, and I put here Florida. Some of us are from Florida. We live there. And it's also places like the name of a place, which is McDonald's, where you eat, or I Jump, where you go and have fun and jump. Okay, that's a place that you go into, and it's the name of a place. So when you write it in a sentence, it has to be in capital letters. Okay. Then also use capital letters for days, months, and seasons. Okay, so today is Monday, and that's a capital letter, and it's also the month of April, and the season is autumn. Okay, all of those get capital letters always when you write them in sentences. Okay, so I just did a sentence here for you. I'm gonna read it, and I want you to pause the video and try and figure out where do I need to put a capital letter, and then I will give you the answer. So you can pause the video and try and get the answer yourself, okay? My mum, Fiona, lives in Spain. It is summer there now. I visit her every December. Okay, so the capital letters here would be, you'd have to put a capital letter there, because it's the start of a sentence. You always put a capital letter at the start of a sentence. Okay, my mom Fiona is her name, so that should be a capital letter. Lives in Spain. Spain is a country, so that should be a capital letter as well, and then it's a full stop. It, can you see I did put the capital letter there already because it's the start of a new sentence. It is summer. Summer must also be in a capital letter because it is a season. And then a full stop, and I is not in a capital letter, so that means I need to put it in a capital letter. Visit her every December. December is a month, so that should be a capital letter. Okay. So let's just move on to a question mark. Right, so question mark is for when you are asking something. Okay, it says here these sentences usually start with all of these words that we did, the sentence, the question mark sentences, which is what, when, why, who, where, and then we have how and do. When you see a sentence start with this, it's usually a question. Okay, so I'm going to go through these sentences, and again you can pause the video and try and figure out which ones are questions and which ones are not questions. Okay, so number one says, where are you going? That is a question. It's asking you, where are you going? It's asking you something. Number two, I am going home. That is not a question. It is a full stop. I'm not asking you anything. I'm just saying that I'm going home. I'm not asking anything, so it's not a question. Number 3, do you like pasta? I am asking something, so that's a question mark. And then, how do I make it? I'm asking something again. If I ask someone how do I make it, it's a question. So I'm asking something, and that is a question mark. Okay, so that's it for punctuation. Now we're just going to move on to handwriting quickly. So for handwriting, today you're going to do the K pattern 2 times, as well as the O pattern. I'm just going to show you how to do that. So you go slanting up. It's almost like you're going to make a K, but when you come to the bottom, you go right around, and then you make a smiley face. And when you get to the top of the line, it's like you make another K. Can you see that? If I had to stop there, it would make a K. But I don't stop this, and I carry on. I close it. I go to the top, and I come a little bit down, and I make a smiley face. And I make a K, around, little down, smiley face, K, around, a little down, make a smiley face, K, around, little down, make a smiley face, and finish 2 times, please. And then the capital K and the small K, we've done it before, it's easy. Just do your finger spaces, and then the O. It's also easy, you just do it round. Okay, please do that 2 times, as well as that 2 times. Now I've given you some words and a sentence as well, which I'm gonna do every week. So please write out these words, and then write the sentence neatly in line 1, 2, and 3, and make sure that your letters touch the top and the bottom of the line.